In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send out remittance advice using QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm a payment to a vendor with a clear, professional message straight from your books. First, open QuickBooks and sign in to the correct company. Give it a moment to load your dashboard. We're heading to the area where vendor payments live, so from the main navigation, go to Expenses and Pay Bills. This is where you'll see bills, payments, and everything related to what your business spends. Next, switch to Vendors. This view lists everyone you pay: contractors, suppliers, and service providers. Find the vendor you've recently paid and select them to open their details. If you're practicing, you can use any sample vendor in your file, but in your real workflow, choose the actual vendor who needs confirmation of the payment. Quick tip: make sure the vendor's email is saved in their profile so the remittance advice has somewhere to go. Once you're on the vendor's detail page, look for the highlighted area related to their recent activity. This is typically where the payment history or action options appear. Click the highlighted element to bring up the available actions for this vendor. Now choose Send Remittance. This opens a compose window that pulls in the payment details behind the scenes. Remittance advice is essentially your proof of payment note. It tells the vendor what was paid, when it was paid, the amount, and which bills or invoices were covered. In the subject line, type something clear and professional such as remittance advice for recent payment, or include the payment date for quick reference. Keep it specific enough that your vendor understands what the message is about at a glance. In the message body, write a short, friendly note. For example, confirm the payment date and amount, list any reference numbers or invoice numbers the payment covered, and add a brief thank you. You can also include your preferred contact method in case they have questions. Keep it concise but complete so there's no confusion on their side. When everything looks good, click Send. QuickBooks will deliver the remittance to the vendor's email and associate the message with the vendor record, helping you maintain clean audit trails. If you don't see a confirmation, give it a second and refresh, or verify that the vendor's email is valid. That's it. You opened QuickBooks, navigated to Expenses and Pay Bills, selected Vendors, chose the vendor, opened the highlighted action area, clicked Send Remittance, added a subject and message, and sent it. Repeat this process anytime you want to provide clear proof of payment to your vendors.